Kind of come this way. Yeah, pan all that. Okay, this wall is 17 feet 10. And this wall over here,
From that corner to this corner is 12 foot 3.
plus the width of
12 3, 17 10 if you square it.
Okay, so the distance from here in this room to this wall over there is 23 feet. And the width of the wall over here is 16.8.
16 feet 8 inches from there to there.
So this is 16 feet 8 inches. So you open this up.
And then from that wall all the way to this wall is 23 feet.
So this is going to be a really large open area. Okay, so the total length of this room is 27.5 feet.